value. Default step is what? 50. Similarly, online students, I hope you are following me. Next example, I will continue. If you want, I can go like this. Here I am pasting. What is my step here? I'll are there. You need to respond everybody. Offline students, are you following me? So for my satisfaction, tell me what is the syntax of linspace? Variable name is equal to numpy dot linspace of start comma stop comma endpoint is equal to true. RET step, return step is equal to false. D type is equal to none. Axis is equal to 0. That 0 is nothing but x-axis, 1 is nothing but y-axis. I will tell you that right now, don't worry. Now I am going to enter into the one more mechanism. What is the next mechanism here? H stack concept, I want to go for it. H stack concept, I am going to take it. It is also one of the important. And the next is called what? V stack. And almost some people already prepared with the full form also. What is H stack? Come on, I know. Horizontal stack. People are all gold medalist. What is V stack? Vertical stack. That's why jobs are not coming. That's why. Go to the mechanism of what? This entire thing. Right. So Rakesh Babu, good student. He's writing the syntax. Nice. Keep it up. Keep it up. So I'm encouraging that student. Keep it up. Good student. Now I will move to the H stack concept I'm going to introduce. H stack is there, V stack is there, D stack is there, stack is there. Four things ఉన్నాయి. Stack, H stack, V stack, D stack is also there. Deep stack. So stack is also there, H stack. Most important things are what? H stack and V stack. Further, you will get stack and then what? D stack also will come across. Let me go to the importance of that. Look at students. I am having one ND array I am having. What is my ND array? 10, 20, 30, 40. This is ND array. ND array. Or otherwise I will take like this. 10, 20. Next I am going to take it 30, 30, and next is called 40. This is called my ND array. It is called one matrix. Next I am going to take it. One more matrix is available with me. One more matrix is available with me. B is equal to. B is equal to. This is called what? Another type of matrix I'm having. What is my matrix here? Something like this. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm having next term 50, 60, 50, 60, 50, comma, 60, comma, 70, comma, 80. This is my another matrix. What is this now? Here, one ND array object, another ND array object. Somebody asked me, how do you merge both the matrices? Which type of merging they are expecting? Horizontal merging, and one more is what? Vertical merging. Suppose horizontal merging you want, horizontal merging you want, horizontal merging, horizontal merging if you want. How it is supposed to look like? Now 10 and next 20. Next is called what? 30 and then this is called what? 40. This is my original data or not? Along with this, I want what? This type of data also to be written. This type of data also to be written. This type of data also to be written. What is this is called? This part is known as what? Merging. To what? Previous one. This is known as what? H stack we can call. Horizontal stacking. Horizontal stacking we can call. Did you understand? In a simple manner, it is a data which is available here. I got some more subpart of the data. I got it. I want to make them as a single unit. So I will merge these both of them or not. This is one ND array object. This is another ND array object. I want to merge them. So I will go for what? H stack. H stack will merge horizontal or vertically? Horizontally. For merging horizontally, what is the prerequisite? What is the shape of that? Muddu need to speak 2 by 2 by keeping all these faces. If you don't speak, it is a problem. Make your face to speak something. Already 22 years you faced a problem without speaking. Speak out. What is this now? Two rows. What is this now? Two rows. When I am going to horizontally merging, rows must be matched. It can have any number of columns, but what must be matched? Rows must be matched. Any number of columns, no problem. Horizontal. When I say you must get a projection in your eyes, what must be same? Rows must be same. Understand this? When you go to vertical, what must be same? Columns must be same. This is a prerequisite. Suppose if I am having like this, what is that? Something like, something like 90, something like 80, something like 70, something like 75. If I have like that, I cannot use what? H stack. Why H stack I cannot use? When I am saying H stack, horizontal says what? Rows. Rows are completely different. How can I merge it? Are you able to follow? That's why it is not possible. Are you able to get it or not? Then that time, what is neither a H stack possible, nor horizontal H stack, nor a V stack possible. So are you able to follow now? That's why I'll remove this and I'll take it. This is what is possible. H stack is possible. Now V stack I want to show you. What is my V stack? For example, this is the A. This is called A. B I am taking. B I am taking. If I take the same B as it is, like that, which one is not possible? V stack is not possible. V stack means what? Columns. Here I don't worry about what? Rows. I never bother about rows. What is my next? Come on, follow. 10, 20. Here I am not bothering about it. What is this now? 70. And next is called what? 80. Next is 90. And say 75. Say 75. Close. What is the number of columns here? 2. What is the number of columns here also? What is possible? V stack is possible. What stacking is not possible? So people will ask a question. Can I merge two ND array objects? Yes. Merging means combining. At least say yes, sir. Keeping like this seriously, I will fear a lot. Girls, say, when I say, yes, sir, you say. Otherwise, you say seriously like that with opening 360 degrees eyes, I'll fear a lot. H stack and V stack. Can I merge two ND array objects? Yes. How many ways? Two ways. One is horizontal stacking, vertical stacking. How do you get horizontal stacking? By using which function? H stack. How do you do vertical stacking? V stack. Shall I go to that? Go. Now I am going to enter into the H stack, V stack. In further D stack also will come. Further H stack, just a stack will come. Are you following? And don't say if somebody asks you in Numpy, somebody already ask you in Numpy, what is a stack? What is stacking? Don't tell your college answer. LIFO, LIFO. అది వేస్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ అది. అది ఒక వేస్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్. లాస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్ ఎనీబడి సేస్ దట్ ఇస్ అ వేస్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్. That is whoever is saying this LIFO, that is a waste knowledge. What is the use of stacking? It is called what? Merging. And a real stacking concept is not here. Real stack concept is different. Real stack concept is what? To evaluate your expressions, to evaluate your prefix expressions, to evaluate your suffix, prefix, postfix expression purpose you will use. For polynomial evaluation purpose, you will use stacks. For function evaluations, you will use stacks, not for LIFO, all these things. And some people will say in classes, they'll say, you assume that you went to a function and your plates are arranged like that. Plates are arranged like that. And this is like this. And which plate you will take it? This is called what? First plate, second plate, third plate, fourth plate, fifth plate. Which plate you will take it? First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. They will say, last one you will take it. Last in, first out. That is called a LIFO, they will say. And how they are going out of order, you see. If you tell this interview point of view, this answer, they will send you, okay, go and work in plate shop, they will say. This is called one kind of what? General awareness purpose. Suppose a person like me, I don't take this plate. I will take the middle plate. I will take. Any objection? Huh? Nothing will be the problem. So this something must be there for saying something. I hope you are understanding. For horizontal stacking, rows must be same. For V stacking, columns must be same. That is the prerequisite concept of that. Go to that. Go to the environment now. First, go to the example first. Go to this place. Now I am entering into this. Let us. H stack is done. Now, right. Suresh, good, good. You are giving a conclusion. Nice student. Now coming to the point of it. Merging of, what? Two ND array objects. Two ND array objects with what function? With what function? H stack function. So syntax I will write it. Let us see the example. A is equal to np dot. Come on, what is this now? Array of, I am taking 10, 20, 10, 20. Next is called what? 30, 40. 30, 40. Now I took it. Now B I will take it. This is called array. It is one function. B is equal to np dot array of. I think you are following me. Following or not following? So there I am writing 100 comma 200 comma 300 300. Now I am taking comma 400 comma 500 comma 600. This is one more thing I took it and print both of them. Print both of them. Inner list concept I took it. What is this now? Matrix A. Matrix A. Print of that A. Print of A. Now I'm going to print what now? Matrix B. Matrix B I will print it. This is matrix A. This is called matrix B. Matrix B I am going to say. This is called B. Try to execute. Try to execute. See that what happens. So here I hope this is required one more bracket. Yeah. So I execute that. Matrix A I got it. Matrix B I got it. Are able to follow? In both the places, what is same? Rows are same. Then merge them. How do you merge it? Merge A and B. Merge A and B. A and B. How do you merge it? C is equal to NP dot. What is this now? H stack of A comma B. If you write it, you will get error. You will get error. You will get error. Understand? You have to write as what? Don't write like that. You have to write in the form of tuple. You have to write in the form of tuple. See that? Here you need to write like that. You need to write in the form of tuple. Be careful. As long as Sari is explaining, it is very nice. Once you keep your fingers on the keyboard, problem will come. You have to write in the form of tuple. That's why error I am showing first. Then output I am going to show. So see that it is done. And print the data of what? C. Print the data of C. Here only I will print it. Print of what? Matrix C. Matrix C. Merged from where? Hmm. Merged from where? From where? A and B. A and sorry. Merged from A and B matrices. Matrices merged from A and B matrices. Print of what? C. See the data now. Is it merged or not? Merged or not? So this is called which merging? Horizontal merging. Is it possible to merge with vertically? No. You will get what? Error. You try to see. You try to see. Merge A and B. You try to print. Simply you try to write it. V stack you write it. V stack you write it. See that. See V stack you write it. V say that it is going to give you a big error. You see this is a big error. Value error. Having the rows incompatibility, columns incompatibility, you cannot do this entire thing. I hope you are following. How do you do this now? I'm going for one more kind of thing, matching. Take the example. Did you understand this? Let us go to the next part of it. What is the next part of it? Carry on. Now I'm going to ensure that which one I'm going to give clarity here. Say the same thing. Here I'm going to take up. In this case, this is answer is okay. Here I'm going to paste it. See that here I'm going to take up 1020 this one, and I'm going to take it 100 200 400 500. Next is called what, 600 comma what 300. I'm going to write it. How many things I'm taking? Matrix A 2 by 2, and matrix B is called what? Come on. This is called what? 2 by 2. What about this is called 3 by 2? What is same? Columns are same. Please ensure that columns are same now in both the places. Column. It is eligible for what? Vertical stacking. Not eligible for what? Right. Go to the merge. Same thing. Go for the merging. How do you go for it? Say this one. Merge what? A and B or B and C. Whatever you like. What I'm writing now? V stack. Now I'm writing D. Now I'm writing D. And see that D matrix with a vertical mechanism. Sorry. D I need to write it. D. See that it is going to be 1020 this one, and it is merged with what? This part. Are you able to get it, students? So columns must be same in both the places. Now if you want to go for T matrix first, you say E is equal to P comma A, you write it. P comma A, you write it. This is called E. And merged from this both the places. You say E here, and you got the data called. First this one is coming, last this one is coming. Are you able to follow? So what are these two functions called? What are the two functions called? Come on. H stack and V stack. Both of them are printing the object of what? Type of E, I will say. What is the type of E? ND array only. These are all called ways and means to create an object of what? ND array. Throughout your entire data science level, whenever Numpy is coming, data is stored in only one object. That is an ND array. ND array is a class whose object stores the data of one-dimensional, two-dimensional, n-dimensional part. Let us go to our Python environment. Come on now. Help. Come on. NP dot. Come on, students. H stack. Verify. H stack. Okay, spellings I will take. First you learn. Spellings I will take. See that. Come on, read out. Come on. H stack. What is it? UP? Because you are already gold medalist in full false. Even they give up for TUP. Actually, they will get double. Press such a poor documentation. TUP. And they are saying, and see here, star indicates what? Any number of arguments you can pass. Star param, star param in our Python level. Star param is a variable length argument. Star param is called what? Keyword variable length concept. If you go to my regular function concept, there is a concept called what? Variable length keyword variable length argument concept. Here you see the concept of it. Star param. Star param. And if we go to the concept of what? Variable length argument concept. Variable length argument concept. If we go to that, here there is one thing called what? Star param. With a Python level concept only. Star things are coming. That is a Python level concept only. I think you are following. Come to point back. I'm going to enter into this further. Say this now. Got it. Go to the help once. Come on. Detail what? None. Casting is equal to what? What is that? Easily you will understand. Same kind means what? Rows. That is the same kind. By seeing the documentation, completely you are becoming a concrete student. What documentation you are learning it. So this is equal to what? Concatenation of what? Access you don't worry. 1D arrays. Concatenating with that. You read out all these things. Nothing to worry about it. Parameters you understand. Sequence of the array. Read out. Now data type represents what? Yes, or data type. See the next casting. See there are something is available. You ensure that rows and columns are same. Stacked. What is the object is returning? And array. Next step further, what is coming? Concatenate will come. Stack will come. Next step further, what will come? I said V stack. T stack also will come. Further H stack also will come. All these things I am going to discuss. Are you following that? And example they are moving forward. Example they are moving forward. A is equal to 6, they are giving small example. And B is equal to one tuple they are giving, another tuple they are giving, they are saying H stack. What is happening? Merging of both one dimensional arrays or not? I merged what 2Ds. You can merge what also? 1D also. Next one more you see. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 separate. They are merging like this. Are you following that? This is about which kind of concept? H stack. If we go to back, A is equal to NP dot array of. I'm taking 10, 20, 30, 40. What is this now? 1D. List. B is equal to what? NP dot array of 100 comma 200 comma 300. I'm taking. What is this now? Tuple. Print of what? A comma type of A. One dimensional part I am saying. B comma type of what? B. Type of B. Type of B. It is getting printed 1D only. Now I am going to say C is equal to what is this now? NP dot. Come on, Madhubabulo. H stack of what? A comma B. Tuple. Print of what? C comma type of C. Now I got it. All of them merged or not? This is about which concept? H stack. H stack. Now I'm going to say D is equal to what I'm trying to write it. V stack I'm trying to write it. D. So C take D. What is happening? Error. That is nothing but already this is a dimension called what? 16 comma. It is a flattening. Flattening is possible to flatten stacking only possible. Don't expect 1, 2, 3, 4 and below to that it will not come. Are able to follow? So when these kind of things are there, it is going to possible in the same dimension only. It is all of a sudden not going to become what? All of a sudden it is not going to become 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 200. It is not going to become. It is all of a sudden is going to become what? Number of rows into what? One column. It is not going to become because these are by default one dimensional only. Na? One dimensional will become one dimensional only. One dimensional will not become what? Two dimensional. If you want to go for it, you have to go for what? Shaping mechanism is required. This is called which mechanism? Invalid. If at all you are interested to do that, what you should do? You will not do anything. I know because you already almost forget. Come on. Print of what? AB. Print of AB. Carry on this part. What you will do if you are a good student? Come on, go. A dot shape is equal to come on is equal to what you will do? Make this as what? 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the one. What is this now? 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1. B dot shape is equal to what? A is equal to B is equal to what is the next? 3 comma what? 1. 3 comma 1. Print of this AB. Print of AB. Print of AB. This you say print of like this. This concept already explained to you in the previously. I got like that. Then you go for what? C is equal to or D is equal to my mechanism. I will bring it. Say this and print of what? D. Print of D. So I got the data. This way. This is a way. For everything you have to make your brain to apply so that you can get it. Not coming and seeing this side, that side. If you read the notes properly, if you apply your intelligence, you will be getting the data perfectly. Are you getting? Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. But for my sake, you don't tell. Your heart will say whether it is easy or not. And if you prepare well and if you practice well after going to home, it will be very easy. Let us similarly help of what? NP dot what? V stack. NP dot what? V stack. And see that same. V stack, tuple, D type, casting, same kind. It is equivalent is for what? Vertically. In this way, what is given? Row wise. Row wise in the sense you have to take column parts. Column parts you have to take. It is a reverse like. Earlier one is called what? Horizontal they will used to give. Column wise they might be given here. Where is it? Column wise. Here. Column wise. There is an opposite you need to consider into the picture. So here if you observe parameters you see. Tuple, D type, casting is equal to. Same. Whatever the description is there, same thing is available. See that what is the tuple here they are saying. D type is equal to, casting is equal to, and they are saying this entire thing. Returns what here? End array. In further, similarly to that, concat will come, stack will come, block will come, H stack, D stack, all those things come. Split also will come. Splitting means what? Dividing. In our string handling, I said splitting, split word splitting, delimiter splitting. In matrix splitting, I want. Matrix splitting, I want. I will do that splitting concept in the further. These are all examples. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is coming like that. Next is called like this 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Also, you are getting. So here you are going to get it as I just now said to you, converted into that. This is comes under the concept of what? Which stack? V stack. This is the concept of what? Today we discussed about what? Lin space, H stack, V stack. And later I will go to I and then identity. Because these are all related to similar kind of thing. I and then identity. So how important this I you cannot imagine. There I am dealing with tomorrow identity matrix. Identity matrix. That is also known as what? Unit matrix. Do you know unit matrix? Do you know unit matrix? All principal diagonal elements are 1. All product of principal diagonal elements are 1. Principal diagonal, non-principal diagonal, operations and principal diagonal, all those things will come across in tomorrow class. Identity and then I, very, very important. There also syntax will be there for I. I, mind-blowing syntax I'll tell you tomorrow. What are the syntax? I, m comma, n comma, m comma, n is equal to none and k is equal to 0 and a d type and then access, so much of thing will come. People will ask, what is M, what is N, and all those things. See how many parameters you have to remember. Start, stop, end point is equal to true, read step is equal to false, access is equal to 0, all these things. If I am taking an interview, I will ask what question? Tell me the syntax of lin space. What are the parameters taking? If you become a doctor tomorrow, if you give a tablet to the patient, you have to tell before food, after food, morning, afternoon, night. They are saying, na? They are saying writing one tablet and like this they will write. What is that meaning? They will write like this. They will write like this. What is the meaning? 3 times. How the doctor knows 3 times? How doctor knows? They will say before food BF they will write. After AF they will write like this. And before half an hour they will say. And you will ask, sir, before 10 minutes enough? Huh? Even taking also not enough, they will say. So how the doctor knows all these things? That's why when you are using the function in my program, you should be like a doctor in the software. You should know about parameters. Then only will come up. Only learning Python like everybody walking in Amirpet, nothing will come. You have to remember this parameter. Is it possible to remember for normal student to remember these parameters? No. You have to enter into the parameters remembering. You may get a doubt, sir, how to remember? You just think one thing. How SAR is remembering? I can also remember. SAR is also having 2 hands, 2 eyes, 1 brain, 2 legs. You are also having the more than that. Correct or not? I will sit in this place only morning to evening, but you will roam here and there. Total Hyderabad you will move. So you have so a lot of energy also. Correct or not? If you learn this subject well, you'll get more and more. And don't feel difficulty when I am explaining the documentation. This is a way to learn the subject. Correct? Fine. So, so coming to the point of it, this kind of things. Tomorrow when I come back, I identity. Tomorrow class I will explain, and I'll go for random number concept. Random module I will explain. Missing the class is very danger. If you come next day, suppose I am explaining these 3 days, for example, 2 days. For example, first two I will explain, second one I will go for next day. The second day when I'm going to carry the first one. First one, you are absent. Second one also, absent minus present is called partial understanding. Absent, totally not understanding. Present, half understanding. Why? Absent day concept also included. Partial understanding, next day will get lazy to go to the class. That is the end of the career. Did you understand how consequences will come in the student life? That's why must be serious about your studies. Okay, students, I'll stop the class. Tomorrow I'll go for I and identity. I'll go for random number concept also I'll introduce. Thank you. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. Online students, you can hold on. I'll go for